Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing very well, and here I am going to discuss something about IIT Madras MTech cutoff in 2021, and these are the cutoffs and these students got admission in IIT Madras. And if your gate scores lies between something below 20 or 30 marks, you can easily get a IIT Madras. And before we start the video, and those who are came first on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and here you get all notification regarding counseling update, and there is no need to pay any consultancy for a gate counseling, and you will get all the cutoff. But one more thing, if your gate score is average, so you can apply maximum number of IITs. If you take consultancy, they told you ki if your gate score is average, you have to apply maximum number of IITs. And also some specialization just like interdisciplinary courses so they just only suggest कि you can go through if your gate score are low. So I will suggest you, if your gate score is very low, you can apply maximum number of IITs. Suppose you are in belong to general category and your gate score is above 500, so what you can do, you can apply maximum number of IITs. At least you have to apply 15 IITs, and you can not skip any new IIT. You can skip old IIT, but you cannot skip any new IIT. So just I know each and everything, how to proceed each and everything, so just I am showing that. And these are the gate already you have given the gate, so you know the what is the subject code AUCH. So whatever the given just like qualifying discipline, so these are the specialization, these are the branches are eligible for this specialization AEYON. So what you can do, just go through the IIT Madras and you can get what do you mean by full form. I will not tell you here, then already made lots of video, and if you want to see so you can go through my previous video. You can already understood what do you mean by these are the program code. So suppose AE aerospace engineering, so just what I know, I'm telling mechanical, so CH these are the specialization eligible for AEI1. Just like I am saying, suppose you want to apply in data science, so data science all branches are eligible for data science. So just like I don't know AEI1 Y star, so these are the branches are eligible for here. Similar here, and VMI instrumentation BT1Y just like you can say the machine learning. So maximum number of special, whether you are in civil, mechanical, if you want to pursue in machine learning, so you can apply, there is no any problem. So these are the cutoffs they gone through the previous year. So these are the student on this gate score got admission in IIT Madras. So just like I am showing you, and these are the specialization. I will suppose if you want to this PDF already I will send you in my Telegram channel, and you can access and you can go through, and lots of material already available in my Telegram channel, and just to go through and see previous year cutoff, so many other things already. I haven't deleted anything, so you can go and see it. Suppose if you want, I am not forcing you to join my Telegram channel. So these are the things, and these are the specialization I am showing you. I will not tell each and everything. So, and if there any doubt, so you can comment in YouTube channel. So I can see you. Then later I will reply you. So these are the specialization. Lots of one more thing, in IIT Madras each and every specialization seats are very less. Mostly you can say 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 maximum number. Some specialization you can say that 30, 20, very rarely maximum 30, 20, 10, 20, 15, just like so just like. And if your gate score lies between these you can apply, there is no problem. And one more thing, if your gate scores so you can apply maximum. Just I am giving an example. So if you want to apply machine learning, so you have to apply machine learning as well as, and if you want to apply in data science, so you have to apply separate forms. Apply still now there is no, still I think forms is not out for a MTech, so you have to wait. Once the forms is out, you have to apply 2, 3, 4 whatever you want. You can apply all the specialization, just you have to pay some extra amount, but chances become high. So whatever you have a doubt regarding anything, you can comment in my YouTube channel, so I can later I will reply you. Okay, thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel, so you can lots of benefit you will available, lots of benefit already available in my YouTube channel. And mostly you can say previous years all the IIT cutoff already mentioned. Some IIT doesn't release any MTech cutoff, so just wait. I will provide you later. So I will, on the basis of student response, I will provide you all the cutoffs of different IIT. Those who are I haven't you can say that haven't uploaded it. So just wait. Okay, thanks, keep watching, and just please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks.